It's been 20 years since Bell and Ross redefined aviation-inspired watchmaking with the BR-01, the legendary circle within a square. And now that fighter jet DNA takes a glowing leap into the future with the BR-X3 night vision, a tool built for pilots, adventurers, and night warriors alike. Inspired by head-up displays found in modern fighter jets, the night vision is all about clarity in the dark. By day, it's a stealthy, technical machine, bold, black, and futuristic. But when night falls, it transforms. Almost every surface, from the case to the dial details, glows with vivid green superluminova, turning this watch into a living instrument of light. Its 42mm case uses a sandwich construction, layers of carbon fiber fused with luminous resin known as lumcamo. It's light, strong, and impossible to ignore. The top and bottom plates are fixed with 4 luminous screw cylinders, while the middle case is crafted from black PVD titanium. Even the crown guards glow in the dark. This is tactical watch design elevated to art. Inside, the BR-Cal 323 automatic movement, developed with Kinesi, beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour. It's chronometer certified, with a rock-solid 70-hour power reserve. On the dial, you'll find a 3-day power indicator and date display, revealed through a green-tinted sapphire crystal that gives the watch its high-tech, stealth feel. Limited to just 250 pieces, the Bell & Ross BR-X3 Night Vision isn't just a watch, it's a night mission instrument for the wrist. Priced at around $14,000, it proves once again that when it comes to combining aviation design and innovation, Bell & Ross still owns the night.